It's rare that you get a project that has historical significance, an amazing location that is located on a cliff top overlooking Port Phillip Bay with the most beautiful heritage garden. It's everything that you would wish for as a designer to work on. I think the thing that we really love about the unique aspect of this, alongside with the location, the history, was a really great client and working with Neil Architecture on a holistic vision for the site. When you come in, you automatically get that beautiful feeling of relaxation, and that's something that is really important within this home. You get to really appreciate all of the detail, and you particularly see that through the front entry and the connection to the library and the front sitting room. When informing the interior, it was really important we planned the spaces that actually had internal aspect, that framed every design detail, which paid homage to the past and addressed the new. Every element, from furniture to interiors to architecture, actually all worked together. It wasn't about heroing one piece, it was about a collection, creating a really balanced ambience that meant that people were so comfortable that they could just spend time, engage and enjoy the spaces.
I was first introduced to this project back in 2015. When I walked onto the site, I was amazed by the beautiful facade of this homestead that was built in the 1860s. The horizontal nature of the existing front facade was something that sort of flowed through into the design of the extension. Primarily, the aim was to have a seamless view of the bay from both levels and through a horizontal contemporary design. The way we approached this project was to respond to the client's wishes to have a family home for entertainment. The way in which we tackled that was to open up and reconfigure the existing house. All the living spaces connect through to the courtyard, so it's a house about bringing family together and friends and really focusing on being outdoors and enjoying the coastal environment. When thinking about the materials for the new extension, we knew that they had to be robust materials. We chose these Peterson Danish bricks as well as concrete being the materials for the extension, which was something that was soft in texture and really complemented the existing period home.
Part of our scope was to also assist with the selection of all furniture, artwork and accessories. It was really important to us to make sure that everything that we looked at was functional, adaptable, but also was something that our clients really wanted to engage with, sit in and lounge. We also had to make sure that we gave a sort of a nod to the nostalgia of the home, but also cross-pollinated that with the modernity of the new extension. I think the other aspect was the timelessness of what we selected. What we wanted to do was to select items that would never date, but they could collect and keep forever. As a studio, this was a fantastic project to work on. Lisa Ransom, associate, did an outstanding job in delivering such a great vision. To all those that worked on it, including Ben Scott and Greener Vision, we feel like we've really created an amazing home for our clients.
It's really been a privilege to be involved on this project, to see it restored and brought back to its former glory with the added extra new areas. It really celebrates the site, and the whole garden really is something that we're just thrilled to visit, and every time we come it's just great to see it evolve and grow.